Right. Train 47 is going. Train 47. Train 470 is departing. All passengers get on the train before. What was it? Before the train departs. Train departing. Beep, beep, beep. What is the right plane? Train. Hey, we going to which? It's. Oh no, the train! No! Just! I cannot move. Is it okay now? What just happened? Ugh. What happened? What happened? He's. Oh my God! I can't believe it. I'm going to call someone. Hello? What? 911? What's your emergency? My train crashed, and then someone needs medical attention. He literally in a coma right now. All right, we'll get there as fast as we can. All right, bye. Oh, bye. Boop. All right, I called the emergency, fire, police, and the police and yeah. All right, yeah. All right. So your job is to put him in the train car, and then you have to seek others for the train. All right. No. All right, I'm gonna wait for it. Okay. Where it is. That was the best. That was That was not the best one ever. Not the best one ever. Oh my god. Wow, this is pretty broken. Oh my. Alright. One. Hello, sir. Hello. What happened? A train crashed. My train crashed, and then someone needs medical attention. Wait, let me lead you over here. Let me lead you. It's over there. Someone put them inside. They put it inside.